What does the Quran have to do with anything? Taught the Quran because in order to gain spirituality, you need a lens. The lens that you see through is the Quran. If you're not seeing, if your mind doesn't know and doesn't understand the purpose of where it's heading, it's going to go left and right in confusion. علم القرآن خلق الإنسان. Created man. Okay, created man, so what? علمه البيان. Gave him intellect. الشمس والقمر بحسبان. But although gave man intellect, but there's a certain pattern in this world. The sun, the moon are all following a certain pattern. Will man follow that pattern? الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان. Well, not just is the sky, the sun, and the moon following a certain pattern. In other words, that pattern is their form of spirituality.